Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locating C hash on the fretboard so you can play it reliably. Place your index finger on the 5th string, 4th fret, or the 2nd string, 2nd fret. This gives 2 convenient C hash positions. Use your thumb behind the neck for leverage to keep the finger perpendicular and avoid muting adjacent strings. Once done, pluck slowly to hear pitch clarity and make small positional adjustments to intonation so the note rings cleanly for building muscle memory. Now you build fingerings and shapes that include C hash. Learn the C hash major triad shape and how it fits into common chord patterns. C hash, E hash, F, G hash gives the basic harmonic content. Practice a partial bar at the 4th fret first, then expand to a full bar when comfortable, because this strengthens your index finger and keeps intonation stable. Once done, practice switching from C hash to nearby chords like B and in 2 measure phrases to smooth transitions, and lock in timing and finger placement. Finish by placing C hash into rhythm and reel songs so you can use it musical E. Apply simple strumming patterns, down, down, up, or a syncopated groove, and play the C hash chord for 4 bars to feel how it sits in time. Record yourself and listen back. If things are sloppy, slow the passage to 70 to 80% speed and isolate the treble spots. If you hear fret buzz or dead strings, lift your finger slightly, press firmer, or retune. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.